Hi, I'm Sandy Bradley, and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. This is $5 jewelry, and it's actually gorgeous jewelry. I started out as just a hobby, but decided to go into it a little further. But what I wanted to do is to show you a little bit about the website today, so I thought we'd show you a little trading on it. Just a minute and make sure I am recording. Yes, I am. I dropped my phone and I wasn't so sure. Okay. So I wanted to go over the website because just to show you a little bit how it works. And so like when you actually order a kit, you will get 35 pieces. Say you ordered the smallest package at $99. You would get 35 pieces of jewelry in that set, which if you sold all 35 pieces, you'd get $175, which is you have your $99 back that you just bought it with, plus $76 as profit, which you can in turn put right back into it. Your website, you get totally free with that purchase for joining. And you don't ever have to pay for that. You have that website that you can go into and purchase all your jewelry at any time. And that's what I'm actually going to show you today, okay? I just kind of wanted to go over a little bit about the rest of it. But like, for example, if you decided you wanted to sell it, say 8 pieces a day you sold, that's $40. 45% is what you earned. That's $18. $18 at 30 days, you're making $540 profit. That's a good profit for just a little hobby, right? Okay, but anyway, when you go into the website and you purchase your jewelry for the first time, because like I said, this website's free. You want to go in and you want to purchase the jewelry. You get to choose all your own. And it's, let's see, if you purchase 10 items, you get one free for every 10. You purchase 20 items, you get a purchase, or you get 2 for free, okay? And so on. You purchase 40, you're going to get 4 free. And at 40, you don't only get your 4 free, but you also get free shipping. So that's what I wanted to show you too. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn this phone around and show you the website and just talk you through a little bit of it and how it works. So when you actually join, you'll know what you're doing. You can come back and watch this video if you like and check the website out and learn a little bit how to run it, and for the little tips like that about getting your jewelry for free. Okay? All right, I'm going to turn you around. So here is the website. Let me see if I can take some of that glare off of there. I might need to turn off my light over here. That didn't really matter. I'm also going to need my readers. Okay, so here is the website. And this is my website. This is the website you would get. You would go to paparazziaccessories.com/your member ID. So it'd be like /316080 is mine. You'll have your ID and everything right over here. So then you'll log in. Okay. So I logged in here, and here is the website. We have the fashion fixes. This is a kit that you can buy monthly. Whoops. So there we go. We'll go back to shop. I don't know what it's doing here, but it's not wanting to move. Okay, so we have all these different categories. We have hair accessories for children or for yourself. There's hair clips and everything in there. If they're available, we run out quickly on a lot of these. Here you have your Z collection, which are $25 pieces. You purchase them for like $16. You have your earrings. Here's your blockbusters. This is the one I told you you could start with from day one. We have the fashion fix. We have the new releases. This is every day at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I think it's noon Pacific time. And then we have the rings. You have all your separate categories with your rings, your necklaces, your Starlit Shimmer, which is your child jewelry that's only $1 each. We have the collections. We have Urban, which is like masculine type items, the bracelets, and the Paparazzi Boutique, which is what you would go into to purchase all your little sacks, or let me just show you here. So you could go in here and buy little sacks. You could go in and buy the t-shirts. Shirts for the men. We got coasters. We have the little display hooks to hook up like on your boards. We have these for your necklaces, etc. So you could go in here and purchase anything like that in the Paparazzi boutique. Okay, let me go back to shop here. We have our new releases. So our new releases, I think they actually stay up here for like, I don't remember how many days, like a week, at least a week they stay. So like even if it just came new today, it would still be up there tomorrow and the next day. So you would just have to kind of sort through. The best way to do that when you're ordering your items, because like I said, they go in new at 3 o'clock every single day, okay? Monday through Friday, not the weekends. So I go over here and I hit this. And I keep the zoom way out, like 67%, because if you have it up there to 100% or higher, you don't have as very many pieces on your page. So I try to keep it zoomed out. You also hit this max page. So like if I hit this for you, let me show you. You can have 20, 40, 60 a page, max page. So I always click the most on one page as possible. So you can see them all at once, okay? So here is all the pieces. I'd run right down through them quickly at 3 o'clock because they're going to shuffle. They're going to do a little shake to show that the new items are there. And say I'm going to shove some in my cart just to say, oh, okay, that's a new item. We're going to go boom, 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 boom. And you try to hit them as fast as you can, which of course I didn't do very well. And then boom, 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 boom. Go down here and okay. So like that. And like I said, you want to get at least 10 items in your cart to have one free item. You're still going to pay shipping on that, so you always want to have at least one free item to kind of make up for the shipping, correct? But what I like to do is I like to have 40 pieces in my cart so you get not only 4 free items, but you'll also get free shipping. So let's just say we put them in my cart. Okay, I'm going to go in here and see how many I got. I've only got 27. I want a whole bunch of this ring. You can go clear down here and now you see the bracelets, and sometimes when new releases come out, I usually end up with 2 pages. So I have to go slip one out to the next page. Then if you want to go back to shop, which usually I don't have time to do that. I want to go back and hurry up and check out is what I want to do so that I actually get my items. So sometimes you want to check here, though, for your Starlight Shimmer, see if there's anything available, which there isn't right now. So I go back to my new releases, and we're going to hit a few of these. Okay, so now I'm going to go out here and check my cart. So there's my cart. So here is my cart of items. Okay. This is how many per item. And it says 1 free on the Hostess Rewards, but see, because I have 42 items in my cart, 42, it shows I have 4 free Hostess Rewards. They are free. Okay, 4 Hostess Rewards. It says 1 free. It's because they put them as like one item, but they're all 4 pieces is in there. So then you would just check out. You'd put your, usually once you've already signed up, you have your checking account information in here or your card. So it would already be in there. You just put in your last 3 digits of your card and click submit order. Sorry if this is burning up. You put in your card, last 3 digits, and then you click submit order. And then you would be done. That's how you handle that. Like I said here, if you'd go into like uniquely urban, you have like more masculine type items. They could be for women too, but they are a little more masculine. Let's see. So this is how you order your things. I'll go check out a few other things for your website so that you know this was for ordering. But if you can go back here to home, this is where you could join. So if you want to show your potential recruits where to go, they can come in here and they can scroll down to the bottom of your front page here and say join the team. Let's see where it's at. I feel like it's not where it's at. Earn free jewelry, invite, start now. Where am I missing? Join now. Guess you just click your join now. I always thought it just said more information. There you go. There you go. So it's changed here. So now you hit learn more. Instead of joining now, they could actually even learn more right here. They can learn about each separate kit, your $99 kit, your $299 kit, and your $499 kit. See, like this $499 is $500, but you get 200 pieces in it. That's $1,000. You paid $499. Your profit is $501. The $299 kit, you purchase for $300. You have 120 pieces in it. That's $600. Your kit costs $299. You just profited $301. This is the one where I said the $99 kit for 35 pieces is $76 profit. Okay, so they learn here about the kits, and you can read about everything: the direct sales, the build your team, the online bonuses. Okay, and here are your kits and everything that's in your kits. And there it is in English. Okay, so this is everything that would be listed in your $99. So you can send your potential recruits to here to see, and then they can purchase buy now, whichever kit they'd like to get. And you make sure you send them to your website so that you're the one, so they actually are joining under your team, be your downline. Okay, and then where do I want to go here? My profile. And then you can go to your back office. This is where you'd see everything like, if you go to your back office, you can see your rep number, the rank that you are, and everything like your recent gross, your total downline, all the information about the last 3 period volumes of what you've spent. You can see every order of yours in here. You have different things like this. You have your alerts, your messages, your events. Resources is great because there's lots of pictures and things that you can see and more information for you to learn about different things that you would want to do, whether it's, and also you can see what's compliant and what isn't, because you wouldn't want to like go out there and post your jewelry in eBay. You're not supposed to do that. That's just an example. You have your downline that would show your commissions. All this is in your back office. Okay, you can enroll in consultant there. This is where you can keep track of your parties. Okay, so then again, we're back to shopping. And like I said, if you do this at 3 o'clock on the dot and go quickly, because the things do go fast on new releases. I'm saying super fast because there's lots of consultants out there. And even so, like you think, oh, well, there's a lot of consultants out there. Maybe they wouldn't purchase from, it'd be hard to sit there and get customers. It's not, girls. It's really, really not. Or guys. I wanted to turn this back around here and see if I could talk to you again. See if I can get that back in there without dropping it. Okay, so that is the website. And if you have any other questions, you feel free to ask. Just post below, or you can go into my Facebook. Again, I'm Sandy Bradley, and you can ask me questions there. But as for the people, you feeling like, oh, there's too many people in my town, I wouldn't be able to sell it, they'd have all the customers. It's not true. We all sell different things. There's people that came in here to see me, and there's a lot of paparazzi consultants here in Huntington, but they came in here and they said, oh, this doesn't look like what I thought paparazzi looked like. They thought all of it was chunky, but it's all different types of jewelry for everyone. The people that like the chunky stuff, the chunky jewelry, the real dainty jewelry, and I have a mix of like all of it. I really do. So you choose things though that are going to be different from me. You're going to have the clients that love what you sell, and then I'm going to have the clients that love what I sell. So I don't feel like you'd have any issues with that. I don't feel like any of us, like, you know, have those problems with that. I really don't. I have people that are under me in my group, and I don't, you know, we don't have any issues at all. We're all doing super well, super great. So that's what I wanted to show you. So that's the site I wanted to show you. And if you have any other questions, I'd be happy to help. Okay? This is like one of my first YouTube videos, so I hope I said everything well enough that you would understand. And I think I'm going to do one on lives next. So if you want to check that out too, make sure you check back. Okay? You guys all have a great night. And again, my website is paparazziaccessories.com/Sandy Bradley. And I am also on Facebook. You can just look me up at Sandy Bradley and ask me any questions there, or you can just post right below. Okay? And I will put my website out here in the description too for you. Have a nice night, everyone. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.